Meron pa tayong physics, right? Acceleration, right? Wait, let's see. Let me check my notes.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. Edgar and Michael also here.
Hi, dear. How's your day?
Little bit fine. We have an assignment in physics.
Have you eaten your merienda?
Not yet, Mom.
Okay, I will prepare.
Thanks, Mom. Come in, come in. Let's see. Let's speak in English. Oh, shit. Like that coming.
Oh, it's your merienda.
Thanks, Mom.
Oh, thanks, Tita.
Oh, I'm so tired.
Oh, I don't know how to answer this.
Like what Mom Sana Matin said? On it. Ay.
You like?
Okay. Oh. You're the word of magic. I am Kabaseti. The word is everything is possible. Haha. You're here to give answer the question I have. About what? This is the question that you need to solve so that you can go back to the real world.
What's the car's acceleration from rest? Force gain the velocity of 30 km per hour.
Your quick is set. Oh.
Hi, welcome to our business. I am your fairy guide. I am here to help you to solve the problem that shouldn't also about us.
Oh, thanks God.
Give us the start with. What is acceleration? It is a vector quantity that represents the rate of change in velocity. It is expressed mathematically as acceleration is equal to change in velocity over elapsed time, or final velocity minus initial velocity over final time minus initial time.
Where is she now? Oh, we just see her to the area. So, what are you going to do now? I want to go home. I miss my puppy. My girlfriend, I miss her too. From now on, I will be faithful. Just lead me back. My mom, I miss her. I'm not help you. Better to answer the question I have. But how? Aba, that's not my issue anymore. But wait. What if we look back on the things that Kerrigan said? Nice idea. Wait. It will be great if we analyze the question. Perfect.
This problem asking for acceleration, but what does acceleration?
Wait, I'm a good listener. Acceleration is the change in rate, the rate of change in velocity.
Meaning, acceleration is equals to change in velocity over elapsed time.
So it is expressed mathematically by A equals to delta t over delta t, or final velocity minus initial velocity over final time minus initial.
Paper and pen.
Perfect. Thank you. Wait. Give me the paper, pen, and pen.
The final velocity is 30 km per hour. Then, our final time is 6 hours. Then, what should be our initial time and velocity?
Maybe 0.
Why 0?
Maybe because as the problem stated, the car starts from rest. If that's so, it starts with nothing, meaning with 0 velocity and time.
Finalize 30 km minus 0 is 30. Then, 6 hours minus 0 is 6.
Wait. I need calculate. Yes. But how we can assure that our answer is correct?
Let me have your work. Oops. You've got it right. The answer is possibly correct because the quartz velocity changes by 5 kilometers every hour. Right, Shubaseki?
Yeah, right?